Hey guys, hello. It's been a while. Okay, so today I'll be doing a unboxing video of my RK Takasago chain. Okay, this is a complete chain set including a front and rear sprocket. Okay, for Tracer GT 2000 for my 2019 or 20, I forgot. Tracer 2019 or 2020 Tracer GT 900. Okay, as you can see, this is a full set. Okay, it also actually compatible with Yamaha MT-09. Okay, it's the same chain, same sprocket, and same front and back sprocket. Okay, let me open it up. Okay, as you can see, this is a RK525GXW. This is the model number. Okay, this is the XW ring, meaning that it actually the seal is a XW type. It store more what do you call that, the lubricant. Okay, so that it will last longer. And okay, this is in the black. Okay, black color, you can see. Okay, and gold. It's so nice, right? Okay, I'll show you the back. This is the packaging. Okay, so this is the silk ring chain. Okay, XW. Okay, I'll put it aside. Okay, the package also comes with this RK 16 tooth front sprocket. Okay, this is the one. Okay, and the rear, oh, it comes with a sticker, RK sticker, which I don't use at all. Okay, this is a 45 tooth chain, the real big sprocket. Okay, it looks good. Let's open it up. Let's put this aside first. Let's open up the chain. Ta-da! Wow, can you see that? It's nice. Well, it's full of this lubricated. Can you see the chain? It's nice, right? Nice looking, right? It's black in color. Okay, and black with gold pin. Nice, right? That's why I choose this. Okay, over the standard one. Why I choose this GXW chain? To be frank, I don't know much about what is XW ring and O-ring and that ring. I just know that it'll last longer and better lubricate. But mainly I chose this because of the color. It looks cool, right? Black chain with the gold pin. Okay, let's put aside. Okay, this is the wow, it looks good, right? It's a big chrome color, RK Racing. Okay, the model number it's 5898-45 45 tooth. Okay, and this is the front sprocket from RK as well. Can you see that? Okay, this is 16 tooth. Okay, so basically this is the whole package. Okay, that come with it. I don't know whether you can get this in a foreign country, but I'm from Malaysia, as you know, and we do have a combo set which consists of 3 items, which is the front and rear sprocket and 525 GXW chain. Okay, which is black and gold in color. Okay, the pin is gold color. Okay, so that's it. This is the unboxing video of my RK chain for Tracer 900 GT. Okay.